Hello beautiful angels, today I'm going to do the unboxing of this beauty, and this is Causebox, and they recently changed their name to Alltrue, and this is the first time that I'm getting the box that is Alltrue. And let's see. And for those who doesn't know, Causebox is a quarterly subscription box. It's more like a lifestyle kind of box where you would be getting like a value of $250 plus, and the each box would cost around $49.99 plus free shipping. And what's good about their box is that you would be getting mostly like sustainably like products which are like done by fair trade, so that's a good thing about them. And let's see what they say. From sustainably made to fair trade, we feature products that make a difference. And in 2020, we paid our female artisans team 962k hours of fair wages. That's amazing. And we often partner directly with brands to make their packaging and products even more sustainable before sharing with our community. We have some of the strictest clean beauty standards in the industry. That's amazing how they said that. So this is their box that I got, and this is also called Alltrue. And I'm going to show you something. So here it says Causebox and it says peel here. So this is what we see. That's such a fun experience for their customers that they changed their name from Causebox to Alltrue, and even their customers can actually like see like that name change by peeling this sticker off. That's such an amazing way of telling to their customers that they changed their name. So this is what I got. All I got is spoon to open this box. I haven't opened this, so not even a sneak peek. So let's see what we got. If you like unboxing videos or clothing subscription boxes, try on, makeup try on, or if you just like hanging around with me, then consider subscribing. It's free, and give this video a big thumbs up. And see, this is the first thing that I got, and here it says introducing Alltrue, and you see, so they are like ladies wearing like this beautiful saris. I love wearing sari. I never done a video wearing sari. I want to. It came with this cute sticker. Alright, I'm going to leave my coupon code below, and if you are using that coupon code, you would be getting $15 off your first box. So I'm going to leave that in the description below. First beauty that I have is this one, a Cutlery hammock. Lightweight, portable construction makes it easy to pack with those summertimes and feels and bring them along for a ride. What is this? Oh, okay. It comes with this belt, and here is the hammock. So here is the hammock bag, and inside we have the hammock. There we go. So it's that minty green kind of color, and let's see what they say. Nothing says summer quite like a day spent in a hammock reading a book. That's true. Oh yeah, I forgot to show. So this is the postcard that I received. Let's see what we have next. And next up I have this beauty, and this is their serum, and this is face serum brightening vitamin C serum. So this is the one that I actually chose, and this is their vitamin C serum. And let's see what it says. Lightweight, vitamin rich, and easily absorbed to promote moisture and prevent dehydration. And this is their vitamin C serum, and this is how it looks. It smells like oil. Some kind of oil. Next, what is this? Oh, it's a Hawaiian lip balm trio. Wow, and this one is also vegan. So this is their lip balm trio. and this also has got SPF 15. So these are the lip balms that I got, and this one is Island Mint, and the other one is a Tropical Citrus, and the next one is Unscented. And I think I have seen this in Whole Foods. What we have next, this has got so much of weight to it, and this is Small Hours on the Go Cutlery set, and this has got knife, fork, spoon, and a travel case. So this is what we got. It's fancy. So this is how it looks. You see? So there is a butter knife and a fork and a spoon. How cute is that? This looks like a soup spoon, and this is the fork. Wow, I love this one. This is like a to-go kind of box, like to avoid the cutlery, the plastic things that we use one time and then just trash it. So to avoid that, this is a good thing. You know, this box is all about sustainability, and for me, anything that says reusable, I love it. Right. Cosmetics plant-based retinol, and this is the one that I actually chose, and helps improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles while leaving skin hydrated. It's a vegan botanical retinol, and this helps brighten the skin appearance. Yeah, so this is my usual skin care routine. So usually this is the thing that I use first thing in the morning, that is vitamin C serum. This is, if I'm too lazy, this is the only thing in fact that I apply in the mornings. So once I wash my face, I'll go with this. Night times before my bed, I usually apply the retinol, anything that has retinol oil, or for now I am using the Sanjay Rally, their blue tansy oil kind of retinol, and I want to give this one a shot as well and see how my skin likes it. Okay, so now that's done, let's see what we have next. So we are off to our last product, and that is this. Wow, this is such a big tote, and this is Man Hydration Nautical Cooler Tote, and I think this is the one that I actually chose as well. And let's see about this one. And this can keep your beverages chilled for over 4 hours and get plastic out of the ocean, made with 100% recycled polyester. And this roomy and durable tote can hold up to 36 12-ounce cans. And this is what it looks inside, and it's really big, and it did come with this thing to put on your shoulders or to hold it like this. So these are the handles, and really nice, really big size in fact. So loving this one. I think these are all the products that I received in my Alltrue summer 2021 box, and if you are looking to sign up for that, I'm going to leave the referral link below, and if you're using that, you would be getting $15 off, so do consider that. And the main thing about this one is all of their products are sustainable products, and some of their profits would go to the charity, which is amazing. And most of their products are like clean and natural kind of products, so that is what I always look. So consider subscribing, and I really love Alltrue kind of box, or the Causebox. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.